And Daddy Pawpaw, we thank you, okay? Because we about to tear your pockets up. Well, hey y'all. Hey y'all. You already know. Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, Kie RaShon. Today's video is brought to you by Xrsbeauty. They sent me another unit to review for you guys. Now, before we get into this glueless install that requires no work, call Daddy Pawpaw. Okay, call Daddy Pawpaw right now because I'm letting you know up front, okay? Excuse me. Make sure if you're new to the channel, you go ahead and subscribe and smash the notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. Also, give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more videos like this in the future. Let's go. Okay, so your girl got a lunch date today, and I wanted to give a little look, you know, for Ken, because, you know, I want to spice it up a little bit. So, let me get a little cute, get a little razzle dazzle with this one right here with Xrsbeauty. All the specs for my unit are right here on the screen, so if you want to check it out, you can. The curls on this unit are given luscious. I can already tell they're going to come together really nice. I'm here for how these are looking out the pack. It also comes with that clear lace and that clean pre-plucked hairline. I like that. Okay, I likes that. If you don't know what I'm talking about, let me show you. And they sent me the transparent and the new clear lace. Okay, the transparent on me, even though she, you know, she can be blended down, she's still a little ashy out the pack. It's not really giving skin as much as I would like her to. But that new clear lace though is a little bit more skin-like. Lace is still lace, okay? It's not skin, but this is skin-like, okay? So it's gonna blend down a lot better than that transparent lace. You may not see the difference right now. I can, okay? So I'm gonna go ahead and put it side by side so you can see that, all right? So transparent lace right here, okay? And then that new clear lace right there. Y'all see that? Can y'all tell the difference? Huh? Let me show you my arm, because I know some of y'all still like, I don't see it. I'm just gonna use water. Now on me, technically, both of these are kind of blending in, but you can definitely see the cast on this transparent lace, okay? So this is transparent, this is the clear lace, okay? Let me come closer so you guys can see that. See how that clear lace is blending in a little bit better? Now up here, like I said, it can blend in with the transparent, but it's gonna give off that ashy cast. This does not give that cast, okay? Okay, let me wipe my arm back off, okay, okay. So that new clear lace is definitely, you know, it's definitely a vibe. Let me put on this, what is it? I say wig cap, it's not a wig cap. It's an elastic band. I don't feel like rocking no glue today, y'all. Cause if I get a little lunch break action, I'm taking my wig off, okay? I do not play them games. Not gonna have me pushed up in the back. Before y'all even come at me, I'm grown, okay? I'm grown, I can say what I want. Okay, then put it on like this. Is it too tight? Oh no. Is my head too big? I think my head is too big. Oh man. It is really tight up in here. Hold up, wait a minute. Oh, that's not gonna work. Let me take off the adjustable straps. Here we go. Pretty much all the lace that you get from Xrsbeauty is gonna be kind of like buckled around the edges. So whether you do it glueless or spray down, you gotta make sure you don't have that, you know, that buckling when you put your lace down. I gotta make sure I do that correctly. Let me bring my mirror a little bit closer. Closer. Y'all see that hairline? That hairline is looking good, okay? It does come, I wouldn't say it comes with baby hairs, but there's like, you know, there's some sparse hairs around the hairline. Where's my razor? Here we go. Gonna follow it around. Wait a minute, what's going on? She don't want to cut for nothing, golly. Is my razor bad or is the lace just hard to cut? What the heck? I think my razor's just bad because that was, that was horrible. There we go. Yeah, let me go ahead and toss that one out. Did I cut off too much hairline? Maybe not. All right, so we're gonna bring this down like this. Gonna bring this down like this. Move that forward like that. Get our Nairobi. I used too much again. Like we said in the last video, 4 pumps was enough. Here I am giving 6. Like, I don't learn. Okay, pin that up like that. Bring it down a little bit further. There we go. And pop it. Pop it. Pop it right there. All right, now let's get these curls popping. All right, so I need to get some water first. Parting space is right here, so I'm gonna leave that for now. You have seen me do this numerous times now, but I know some of you guys really like, you know, me doing it, so we're gonna do it again. So I'm gonna take some water in my spray bottle, spray her down. That thing be going by itself. No, I did not wash the hair, clearly. You see that I didn't wash it, okay? But I did spray her down with some dry shampoo. So the little smell that was in this wig is gone. Get the hair a little bushier, and then we're gonna clump the curls back. I am getting some shedding with the hair, but nothing crazy for what I'm seeing right now, especially when it comes to a curly texture. All right, let me put on my glasses so I can make sure I can see what I'm doing. I did buy some more of this. I may need to open up my other bottle. May run out before this hair is done. Work it in the hair, y'all. Get it on my ends. There we go. Work our ends together like this. Whistle while we work. I don't know how to whistle, y'all. Like it doesn't come out right. So I just hum. I just be talking, y'all. I really do. This, come on, come on. Tag team.
Tag team, back again.
I really be in my own little world. I can be whatever I want to be. Y'all can see I'm really in a mood today. Okay, I'm ready for lunch. I'm ready for lunch. Ain't nothing like that midday snack. Okay, so we are back, and now let's take the wrap off and see what the hairline is working with. All right, she's looking pretty good. Y'all know I can't see. Okay, I think we in business. Let me shift this to the side just a little bit. I'm gonna use my my pick. Just lift some of the hair up. With curly hair, you can't really mess it up, but you can flatten it, okay? So I wanna make sure for my looks, I like my hair to be, you know, have some body and some movement and some lift in her. Now I'm gonna take mine off, hold up. Excuse me. And I'm gonna put on my wig grip so I can tuck my combs on the side. Let me tuck it, pull it down. All right, let me get my combs on the side over here. I may not be able to use the combs. Dag nabbit. Ooh, that's my grandpa coming out. So I'm just gonna use a bobby pin. I ain't gonna worry about it. Put a bobby pin right up here. Okay. Okay, pin that right behind that. Yup. Yup, looks good, looks good. So I'm going to go ahead and tell you right now, this cap is more big head associate than big head friendly because I'm not able to pull it all the way down onto the back of my head. Let me show y'all. Because I want my hairline to come a little bit forward, I can't pull it down comfortably on the back of my head. However, my hair is not cornrow flat under this unit, okay? I just have it pulled back and like, you know, a little bush under my wig cap. So that could be the reason why. Let's blend in our lace. Just a little bit. I don't need to do too much. Ooh, running out of time, running out of time. I'm coming, baby, hold up, hold up. I mean, I could do a little pull back like this if I wanted to, right? I want to do like a little pull back, hold up. Put this little one over here. Come on, girl, almost done, almost done. Let me get my edges right. Okay, this side's looking good, okay, because it's my right side, okay, my strong side. Okay, I like how that looks on me. Okay, the forehead is actually looking pretty decent. It's giving natural, y'all. This is giving a look. I like this. Okay, y'all, so I like this. It came out so good. I'm questioning my hairline though, as far as should I move it down a little bit on my forehead or should I leave it where it is? You get what I'm saying? Like, you can't have too much of a gap between your hairline and your forehead. Like, it has to have a gradual, you know, like transition. I feel like it looks good, but then I also feel like I could move it down a smidge, like right there. Like, if I glue it down, obviously it will stay, but I don't want to. This is not, hold up. It's a little bit too gappy right there. Like, it's giving cornrow, and I don't want it to be cornrow. I want it to be smooth transition. There we go. There we go. Uh-oh, I didn't pull some of the daggone hair out. Let me just, oops. Just gonna pin it right back down. I don't, Okay, so yeah, what we thinking, y'all? What are we thinking? You already know what I think. Okay, look at my face. Y'all saw I didn't have to do no work to this hairline. I barely had to blend lace, so you know that's always a good thing. Now, I don't know if you guys can see this, but my lace is kind of, you know, buckled up a little bit. Like I told y'all in the beginning, you will have to worry about that if you don't glue it down, especially if this wig cap is too small for your head, okay? So Xrsbeauty, if you want to make some bigger wig caps, that'll probably be great. This is the look, y'all. Ow. Oh. I have to tear my knuckle off my hand. God dang. The curls are definitely giving everyday type of look. They're not too defined or clumped together. They're just right. It's giving a very natural, like, pretty much a wash and go. That's what it's giving me, y'all. And then the hairline and the lace. You hear me? Okay, the clear lace, yes. Xrsbeauty, thank you. Thank you. And Daddy Pawpaw, we thank you. Okay, because we about to tear your pockets up. The holiday season is here. Daddy Pawpaw has been on speed dial. He is waiting for your call, sis. Call him up. Call him. You about to be around the cousins, okay? Make him mad, sis. Make him mad. She thinks she better than everybody. And do. But that is all I got for you guys today. Shout out one more time to Xrsbeauty for sending me this unit. I really appreciate it. I will put the direct link, my specs, and any coupon codes I have for this unit down below. So if you guys want to check it out, you can. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Also smash that notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. I love you guys so much, and I will see you next time. Bye.